Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add text to an existing PDF text box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and select your edit option. Now click on your text box and select it and see this mouse cursor showing here. Now type your new text or you can copy paste text here and see this edit. In this way you can add text existing text box, and another way you can add text on a blank page. Here I will type text or add text. Click on this home option again and here you will find this type text option. Click here and click anywhere on your blank page. Now type text and see this. In this way you can add new text existing text box, or you can add or type text new blank page and see this, and press enter key and type second line. See this. In this way you can type or add text on your PDF file. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.